Hello everyone, this is Daria. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a design onto a wall using a projector. I'll be with you from start to finish, from transferring the design to completing the mural. This mural is a custom order for a beauty salon in the nail art section. In a dark space, I use a projector to display the selected design on the wall. I carefully transfer the design onto the wall using a pencil. After that, I slowly begin painting the design. It's important to stay in control and follow the lines carefully. Actually, this step needs a bit of practice, so your hand doesn't shake. Make sure you're comfortable holding the brush carefully. Before you watch what happens next, if you're enjoying the process so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. I start by drawing thin lines slowly for each section. Then I gradually thicken the lines. Always pay attention to line variation. Line variation means the lines shouldn't stay the same thickness. More pressure creates thicker lines and less pressure creates thinner lines. So, for soft and curved designs, round brushes work best. I use round brushes in different sizes and I'll show you all of them in a few seconds. Now I'm going to paint the last two butterflies. Let's take a closer look at the finished mural. Thank you for watching and being with me. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Have a great time!